Hi, David. My name is Jessica from Peterson SEO, and today I'm just going to show you a couple tricks that you can implement today to start getting in more of those organic leads and without having to pay for those ridiculous lead prices. So, as you can see, we are on your website, and you have a nice website, gorgeous photos. And you guys got tons of content, which is really, really good. Content is key. So the biggest problem I'm seeing is that there's not a whole lot for your local buyer intent keywords. So the rule of thumb is your website should have homepage should have a minimum of 1,000 to 1,500 words, and they should be focused on your buyer intent keywords. So you should have 150 words for every keyword that you're trying to target. You should have a separate page for every single service and every service area that has search volume. So if you don't have those service area pages, you're missing out on quite a bit. Now, Google unfortunately does not rank you based on appearance. They use robots called crawlers that index every single one of your pages, going through your content to find those keywords so they can rank you for those keywords and put you in front of potential new customers. Now, if we go to your top competitor in organics is Presidential Pools. They also have a really nice site. Their homepage doesn't have enough content, but they are definitely going after those buyer intent keywords that are local based. They have a ton of different pages. They've got location pages, just tons of pages. They've got a ton of content and a lot of keywords. So in order to beat these guys, your entire website needs to have more content than their website, and you need to go after those buyer intent keywords. When we go here, this is a program we called Ahrefs. It helps us to analyze how a website is performing. As you can see right here, you have a domain rating of a 6 out of 100 in Google's trust flow, which means that Google doesn't have much trust in your website, and that has 100% to do with your referring domains and backlinks. You have 92 backlinks, but only a rank of 6, which says that not all of your backlinks are of high quality. Not all backlinks are created equal, so you need to make sure that you're not using spammy backlinks and you're going after the highly authoritative ones. Because you don't have a whole lot of keyword strategy going on in your content, you're only index for 92, and because you don't have the backlinks pushing those keywords, you're only seeing traffic of about 19 people on average to your website per month. Looking at your keywords, a majority of them are your business name, which is great for branding purposes, but most people, when they're searching for a product or a service, may not know the name of your company. So it's really important you're using the proper keywords that people are actually going to be searching for in each of your service areas. When we look at your competitor, you can see that they have a domain rating of a 30. And that is because they have over 4,000 backlinks. So, in order to beat these guys, in addition to the content and keywords, you need to have more backlinks and higher quality backlinks than they have. They're currently being indexed for over 3,000 organic keywords, and they're seeing over 7,000 people to their website each and every month on average. Now, what a backlink is, it's when one website links to your website and drives traffic to your website. Google likes this because it's like a popularity contest. So the more relevant it is to your industry, the higher that it's going to rank you in Google. And your backlinks are closely tied to your content and keywords. So you definitely want to make sure that your backlinks are connected to the keywords on all of your service pages and home pages and location pages. And the last thing I wanted to talk about real quick is the Google Maps. So this is your Google My Business or Google Maps, and your goal should be to be in the top 3, because 30% of customers come directly here and they're not going to go any further. So if you're not in the top 3, you're giving your leads to your competitors and leaving money on the table. Now, in order to be in this top 3, it's a highly competitive spot. There's several factors that go into it, but the number one is something called citations, which is the name of your business, your address, your phone number, and your website, and having those listed in a variety of places like Yellow Pages, Yelp, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, etc. So you need to have a lot more of those citations than your top competitor. If you follow these tips that I've given you today, your website can be number 1 in Phoenix and your service areas. I'm sure you're probably wondering, well, what do I do now? Well, you can either apply this information I've given you and do it yourself, which is completely okay because this is just free education. I just ask that you go ahead and give me some feedback on this video. However, if you decide you would like help getting some of this stuff done and you just don't want to have to worry about it yourself, go ahead and give us a call at the number on your screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.